to Foça, the pearl of İzmir and the land of seals. With its deep blue sea, warm climate, and epic history, Foça is like a treasure waiting to be discovered. You are invited to Old Foça with its narrow streets, stone houses, fishing boats, and island views. Visit our unique coves where you can find peace and calm and hear your inner voice. You are invited to Orak Island and the small islands surrounding it, where the Mediterranean seals rule, which give Foça its name. You are invited to the mysterious Siren Rocks, the subject of Homer's Odyssey. And to the temples of Athena and Cybele, the ancient civilizations of Foça. You are invited to the sincere conversations of those who are fond of freedom and live friendly, and to the annual cultural events and festivals. You are invited to find and step on the black stone, and if you do, the legend says you are destined to never leave. You are invited to Foça with its meticulously preserved historical structures, cuisine, and unique views. We welcome you to our town, where you can spend your holiday with blue flag beaches, enjoy the summer, and go on a mysterious journey on its islands. A dreamlike holiday awaits you in the north of İzmir, where an epic story is discovered at every corner. Let's explore together and have a good time in this land.